Alrighty, so we're gonna have some fun today and look at some portfolios. Some of these guys are earning, over $2,000 a month. We do have someone who's doing over 10K per month. And overall, people are just freaking $2,874. This is a pretty souped up portfolio. I wanna look at some of these from people earning, $24 per day. Yields are insane right now. And right before we get into this, I just wanna remind you, I did this post here in the UIG. By the way, the best freaking community, such a high level community, but it broke my heart because over the last few weeks, we had a lot of people freaking out. And I know what it's like when markets are getting, when they're volatile, but that's where the opportunity presents itself. And unfortunately, we did have some people leave just being like, oh, there's just no money to be made in crypto, or I've lost some money. And I'm just like, I wish I could shake you and be like, listen, this is inevitable. This will happen over and over. Look at the markets. Bitcoin is bounced up 12%. Some alts are up 20% or more. A lot of people were freaked out with Arrow. I'm like, we're up 40% this week and we're back to 81 cents. And if you actually bought more because you follow our system, when markets are green, you take profit. When markets are red, you redeploy. You are making so much money right now, and it's why so many of our portfolio reviews right now are like, I'm making more money than I ever have. My yields are up double. My portfolio is up 30%. And I wrote here, when people quit on crypto, I take it personally. Just like, how can we keep communicating the fact that when the markets are red, that's when the opportunity. Yes, your whole portfolio might seem down, but you haven't sold it, so you haven't locked in the losses. You haven't seen a permanent loss. It's time to actually move. And those who did it, they've made thousands of dollars. We have one client who made 40, 50 grand over the last 2-3 weeks because they took advantage of the markets. That's a lot of money to a lot of people. And I see the same thing as just like this kind of short-term thinking mindset. And it's like, markets are freaking out. I'm on Twitter all day. I'm becoming super emotional. I'm going to sell it. I'm out. I'm done. And then they come back when Bitcoin's 100K being like, ooh, now I'm excited. We have to take let me know in the comments. I'm not saying it's easy, but I'm hoping this video will just remind us of when the markets are red, that's when we go in. That's when we double down. That's when we should be more excited. When the markets are green, that's when we should be getting fearful. And this is why the members and clients who stick to this, they freaking win. So let's go here. I want to review some of these. Finally got the ball rolling. They're on day 2. Let's see how they go. What do we got here? We got some really solid positions. A lot of our clients are using VFAT right now. They're making $1,300 per month right now on a whole $4,983. Love it. A lot of positions on VFAT, which I'm a big fan of. Getting some ridiculous returns on that. 1 week in, would have more out there if old Schwab's didn't make it slow to transfer cash out. There we go. 1 week in. So they're 1 week in. They've got some stuff on Uniswap, Aerodrome, Orca, Jupiter Pancake. Love it. They've got $3,925 deployed, and it looks like they're doing around $727 a month, which is wicked returns. Congratulations on that. Love it. This is a juicy portfolio. What do we got here? I've been here for about 2 months. 2 days ago, I felt ready to join you. This is my first portfolio tracker. Last month, I sent $2,000 to my bank account so that he's following the rules of taking profit and moving it into cash. We can always redeploy that. Wishing everyone good profits and have a nice day. Love that. Yeah, a lot of stuff on Scroll. Love it. A lot of stuff on VFAT through Arbitrum. Love it. Polygon, Base, Blast, and some stuff on Sui. I love it. Pretty well diversified. Looks like really heavy on this token ETH. I would say, ooh, just make sure we know what we're doing there. But so far, looks really good. They're doing around $100 a day or almost $3,000 a month. Love it. On this portfolio is $11,000 deployed. Love it. I know Paul is in some, a little bit more interesting things, and I loved it. I love this post. He's got a lot of capital in a lot of different things. He's okay with lower APR, just steady, consistent, but he's doing around $122,000 per year on this portfolio, or around $10,000 a month, or $341 per day. So I love it. The bigger your portfolio grows, which if you rinse and repeat when markets are red, You deploy when markets are green, you take profit, rinse and repeat. You can get into $100,000 plus portfolios. We've had clients and members build up to 6-figure portfolios, and then you can take on less risk, lower APRs, and more consistent kind of APRs. Love it. Oh my God, Quest 4 is complete. I added a little more capital, but yields are flying up. Thank you, David, for the VFAT video. Loving the rebalancing, tight ranges, I'm ecstatic. 2K a month returns on 7K. Find me a place where you can do this. Now, again, they're a few months in, like they've got the skill set. Don't expect this right off the bat, but we got some SUI stuff. We got some ETH. We got some Arrow. We got some Brett. Awesome returns and making $2,117 on around $7,000 deployed. Awesome. Big fan of that. I mean, we can keep going. But you get the point. You can see, like, you don't need 1,000 positions. 4, 5, 6 positions is enough. Some people have more, but that's okay too. Once you know what you're doing, you can diversify into more portfolios across different chains, across different projects. Start with one, get comfortable with it, and then you can diversify out. Start with lower yields, lower APRs, more blue chip. Get used to this stuff. We've got the training in the UIG. Go through the DeFi educational portal. Go through the technical analysis arena. Spend 2 hours in here. You will be a TA pro, and then apply it. Ensure you're in the DeFi portfolio challenge where we work you through different challenges. Make sure you're going through the portfolio review section. Make sure you're in the questions discussions. This is it right here. Like, get involved. Don't be passive with this. Go all in. This is life-changing stuff. What else? Someone posted this, and it just freaking juiced me up. Just celebrated 1 year. We have a lot of clients and members who've been with us for over a year. In the UIG, it has been the best year of my life financially and mentally. This is why we do what we do. If you take this seriously, this is more than just crypto and DeFi. This is financial education and just the way we think about money. For a coffee per day, we want to make this accessible to absolutely anyone, but we want high quality people coming in who are committed for the long term. Not, I'll just get rich in the next 10 days. Oh, poor me, the markets are a little bit red and I'm not getting rich, so I'm out. It's like, what are you doing? And how is that pattern and I'm saying this with love, how is that pattern showing up in different areas of your life? Start, quit, start, quit, start, quit, opportunity, quit, stick with this. This can be the best year of your life financially, mentally, emotionally. The access to resources, join community, commit to it. Commit to it, and you'll be posting in the portfolio review section very soon. Hey, I'm making $1,000 a month. I'm making $3,000 a month. Hey, I'm making $10,000 a month. Hey, my portfolio is now worth 6 figures. I want this for you. But you got to commit. I hope this served as motivation and seeing some portfolios inspired you. What I will do is continue this education on YouTube. I'm going to post 4 videos on the screen. 10K a month on Beefy. We're going to post some VFAT stuff. I'll post strategies and educational and jump into the resources. Spend a couple hours on this YouTube channel. If you're liking this stuff, like this video, subscribe to this channel, commit, stick with it, share the videos with people who you know can benefit from it. Let's make this the best YouTube channel in DeFi with realistic, real, not theory, but like, look, this is what members and us are doing. Jump in, subscribe. With that, so let me know in the comments if I can serve you with anything else, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.